Happy Makeup Friday, everybody. As we all know, lately it's been in the 90s and it has been very humid, so nobody wants to cake on a full face of makeup in that type of weather. So today I just do a no foundation look for my face. Stay tuned if you want to see how I got this very natural, subtle face look. Hey everybody, so I'm just starting out with my eyeshadow already done, and I'm gonna go in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal Orange color corrector, and I'm just putting a little bit on top of my darker marks. I'm not putting it everywhere. I'm just putting it on top of the very, very dark marks on my face. Then I'm just gonna use a small brush to blend those out. The one I'm using is by e.l.f. Now I'm just adding some more, and I'm just covering the bags underneath my eyes. And I'm just blending that out over those bags. I already look a million times better, but now I'm gonna go with my NYX concealer. I'm using the 8.5. And that one just blends straight into my face, especially since I have a bit of a tan right now. And I'm just cleaning up over my brows so my brows look very crisp, and then brightening up underneath my eyes, or smoothing out underneath my eyes, I should say, not brightening. Then I go ahead and add on the 7.5 underneath my eyes to help brighten just a bit. I don't want to overly brighten my face. Next, I'm just going to powder my face. I'm using my Hard Candy translucent powder, and I'm just powdering over anywhere that I put the concealer. I'm going to go ahead and add an highlight. I'm using the LA Girl Strobe Light in 50 watt, I believe. And then I'm just going to go in with my CoverGirl Queen Collection Ebony Bronze, and I'm just gonna bronze up the sides of my face. I set with my aloe vera juice, and that is it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this Makeup Friday. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and tune in next week for another Makeup Friday.